In today's world, appearance reigns supreme. A full head of hair is not just a basic need of the 21st century. It is a necessity regardless of your profession.
We also give utmost importance to our aesthetics. We want to understand you, your age, your face, your profession, your personality, and most importantly, your expectations. And we'll make sure we give you the desired results.
Our clients are a testament to this fact, confidently flaunting their looks with style and swagger. From family gatherings to social events, photography sessions to social media posts, aesthetic is paramount in making you look not only your age, but also several years younger. And let us not forget the pivotal role of a receding hairline in your overall appearance. With 70 to 80% of male pattern baldness attributed to receding hairlines, it can make your face appear disproportionate and add a whopping 10 to 15 years to your age. However, fear not, as there is a solution to this conundrum that can make you look a decade younger. Welcome to the city where luxury, lifestyle, and class effortlessly blend together, and when it comes to hair restoration and cosmetic surgeries, there is no better place than Advanced Hair Studio. Dubai is one of the flagship studios out of the 300 worldwide. It embodies luxury, class, and elegance, providing the best quality and catering to the top 30% of people in the world who understand the importance of aesthetics and expect nothing but the best. Dubai is a hub for the Middle East, Europe, Africa, subcontinent, and CIS countries, and hence we can cater to the top 10% of people, including leaders, celebrities, entrepreneurs, legendary players, and people from all different sectors. At Advanced Hair Studio Dubai, we only work with the best plastic surgeons from North America, Europe, and other parts of the world, who are at the peak of their art when it comes to hair restoration.
Hello, I'm Dr. Christopoulos, plastic surgeon. In Dubai, I'm the medical director of Advanced Hair Studios, and over the last decade, we have done many successful cases from all over the world.
Over the last 5 years, Dubai has become a hub for medical tourism, attracting people who are seeking the best results in health and wellness. Aesthetics is an art, not a medical procedure, and hence it requires the best of the best. Investing in Advanced Hair Studio Dubai is a one-time investment that will give you fantastic results that will last a lifetime. With all metro cities well connected to Dubai, getting the procedure done is as easy as a day procedure. You can fly in the morning, get the procedure done, and fly back the same day. Remember, you have only one life, one opportunity, one-time investment, and a lifetime of high. Come and experience the best results at our flagship Advanced Hair Studio Dubai.